Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage. The next tool that Alex is using is called a Porta Power. He's going to use this jack assembly to hold the fuel tank support braces in the trunk exactly where he wants them. And if you use something like this, you can force it into shape a little bit. Nothing ever fits perfectly when you're doing a restoration like this. So Alex is using a Porta Power because we're up to our eyeballs in really cool tools here. But if you're doing this on your own, a regular hydraulic jack and a stack of firewood will work. You need to get something in there so you have good pressure against the bottom of the brace so you can push it right up against the floor so it fits real tight. You can push up the braces wherever you need them to fit more tightly in order to get everything bent into exactly the right shape. Alex is going to be really careful to have this properly supported and have everything clean that he's working with, because you don't want the jack slipping. If you're getting a lot of pressure on there and it slips, you can get hurt and you can damage the car.